Hey everybody, this is Simple Investor here. Today I'll be talking about how to use Fibonacci Retracements. It's a tool that I use quite often to analyze the market when is a good time to get in, also when possibly a good time to get out. So I'm going to be hopping on Trader's View right quick, and I'll be showing you step by step how to set up on your chart, how to use Fibonacci's to analyze the market. Alright y'all. Alright, so here we go. So we are on tradingview.com right now, and what you would do normally is you'll pretty much go to Google, and if any company that you think of and you want to see what their stock's looking like, you can go right here, type in the company's name. So for example, right here is Weight Watchers, and you just put stock at the end of it. When you do that, you're going to get the ticker right here. So you see right on this line right here, we can go over to tradingview.com and type in WTW. When we do that, we get the option right here to click on interactive chart. Click on this and you pretty much will come here. Alright, so this is how the chart looks. Right now we're on the daily chart, so each of these candlesticks represents a day. So this is 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, so on. Alright, so let me show you how to use the Fibonacci the way I use it. So pretty much you'll go on this left task pane and you'll click right here and you go down to the Fibonacci retracement. Alright, what I like to do is go from the swing low. I'm just going to pick this point. You know, it doesn't have to be exact. And I'll go to the swing high. I mean, that's the highest point I see and the lowest point I see. There we go. Push this up a little bit. There we go. All right, cool. So what we're going to see is that there's going to be key zone areas. So there's 23.6, 38.2, 50, 61.8, and 78.6. All right, these are key zones. The hot zones are usually 50 and 61.8. all right, when the market hits around these areas, the market tends to behave and continue the direction of the trend. All right, so as you notice here, what happens on the 50 retracement zone area on the 50 retracement area, you see the market continue to go up. So this is room for profit right here. Okay, and we can talk about entry. If you want me to talk more about entry points and how to set take profits, let me know in the comments. We'll talk about that. All right, but there's 50 and there's a 61.8. The 61.8, it's just a better. It's like, you know, it's prime opportunity. So 50 is good, but 61.8 is even better. These are good discount zone areas in the market. So, you know, think about it like, you know, getting the discount. You're buying low, you're gonna sell it high. All right. So as you see, something magical happen around this 50. Now it can go options also in the other direction. So if we're going bullish, you go left to right, right, and you go upwards. And then you can do the same thing for when you try to look at a bearish opportunity. Okay. Bam, bam. All right. And as you can see, what happens? Oh, the magical 50. Well, number one, you realize that this is inverse. But look, around the magical 50% zone area for the Fibonacci, the market went back this direction. This is opportunity to capitalize on some money. All right. And the same thing with the 61.8. If it would have closed up here, right in this area, I mean, it would have been a better discount time. You know, I probably would have took the trade. Who knows? All I would do is look for the confirmation. Once I get the confirmation, then I would just got into the trade and then manage it from there. So that's pretty much it. This is how I use the Fibonacci retracement. You can also use it in your trading strategy. You know, you don't have to use it by itself. I mean, I guess you could, but at the same time, it's just another tool that you can add to your arsenal to become a better trader. All right, guys, thank you for your time. Please put a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you liked about this video. Tell me what you disliked about this video. I would love to hear from you all. And until next time, peace.